updating your payment information on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your payment information. Step 3. Select Banking. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Banking option. Tap on it to view your current payment methods and linked bank accounts. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you want to update. You can either edit the existing information or add a new bank account by following the prompts provided in the app. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Robinhood. Keeping your account details current is essential for smooth transactions.